Hi, my name is Cassie Crossley, and I'm the Vice President for Supply Chain Security at Schneider Electric within the Cybersecurity and Product Security Office.
Thanks for joining, Cassie. Now, given the rising concerns around the supply chains attack, what measures does your solution include to secure the supply chain in ICS environments?
Well, Schneider Electric, we have over 13 initiatives that are securing both the software and the hardware. So we have a product lifecycle that covers the research, design, and development, leads into manufacturing, and throughout those life cycles, we have product security, we have technology validation, we have things like software bills of materials where we can provide that information and that visibility to our customers. And through these processes, with the secure development life cycle, which means that we are ensuring that our engineers are trained. We have over 12,000 engineers throughout the world that are following a mandatory secure development lifecycle that's part of the ISA IEC 62443 standards. And we follow a specific part of that standard called 4-1, which is the secure development lifecycle. And that standard is something that we built into the DNA of our application and product processes as we build that. And we also are working with our suppliers as part of that process, both from software and hardware, to make sure that they are following secure design and secure development standards. And when they do not have that level of maturity, we implement compensating controls and mitigations, such as we may do pen testing for them to make sure that the product or whatever they're delivering meets our quality standards.
Thanks for that, Casey. Maybe double click on just one of those issues. You mentioned SBOMs, and perhaps talk about what keeps you up at night when it comes to SBOMs. Is it regulations that's coming out? Maybe some parts of the world forcing your customers to have that? What keeps you up at night around that?
Well, I have been a part of the SBOM community for a number of years, and I'm really a proponent that transparency and visibility, especially as a developer, that it's very important for customers and for others that are using our components and products, that they're aware of what's in it. Now, that doesn't mean that it's easy. And what that happens is when we are working with products and tools that can evaluate what's in the software or firmware, it's not always accurate. So what keeps me up at night is it's going to take us a long time to get to where it's going to be quality information that we're receiving out of those tools. And so we need to have customers and others just understand that it's a journey that we're leading to, and so that when we give transparency, so the best place to find out accurate information on what you're concerned about in a product is to go to our security advisories.
Thank you, Casey.